Hello. I have one major question I need everyone to answer for me. Have you ever been caught in the middle of an important meeting or conversation just jotting down notes and daydreaming? I am a victim of this. I actually find myself jotting down notes and not listening to my professors. Today, I'm going to show you how to be an effective listener. Hello everyone, my name is Shannon and I'm currently a senior at the University of North Carolina at Greensboro. I'm majoring in business administration and I'm getting a minor in communication studies. Today I will show you how to be an effective listener by giving you 3 main points that you can take from this day on and will help you either in your academic career or a business standpoint. By doing this, these 3 main points are going to be, you must identify keywords or phrases from what the speaker is speaking about. My second major point is you need to learn how to use your spare time effectively. And third, but not least, is that you need to write down any questions you might have about the presentation or lecture. When doing this, I will give you examples and show you how to use these techniques effectively. Okay, our first technique today is going to be to actually show you how you need to identify your main points and key phrases. Okay, recalling keywords or phrases that the speaker is speaking about will trigger your mind to remember exactly what the presentation or main point the speaker is trying to get across. When doing this, you can actually jot down notes or just that key phrase, so when someone besides you missed it, or if for a later date you need to recall what the conversation was about, you can jot down in your notes and look at that target word and know exactly the whole conversation that happened. Doing this makes you a more effective person and listener, because it does show that you can actually realize what's going on in the situation. Now, while you're doing this, you also need to understand how to use your time, your spare time more effectively, which is my second key point. When you're being able to do this, if the speaker gives you a time or a pause, this means that they're trying to give you time to understand what they're saying and to take it in. When you're able to do this, you're able to relate you're trying to relate what the speaker is saying to what you need to comprehend. Secondly, it gives you time to evaluate the quality of information and sources that the speaker is providing. During this time, you can evaluate and know, you can actually evaluate the speaker's credibility of the message. So if they say that they actually got this information from a governmental web page, you might be able to take this spare time, jot down the governmental web page, and be able to go back and ponder if that is a credible source for you. While doing both jotting down key phrases and using your spare time wisely, our third key point today is going to be that you need to write down any questions that you might have for your speaker. At this point, your speaker might have gone through their whole presentation. When you have this spare time, when you're writing down these notes and checking your credibility, you will walk back up to your speaker if they ask if anyone has questions. When they say if anyone has questions, you will be the first, if not the first, just one of the individuals that raises their hand and asks for clarification on a major point or phrase to understand what they're saying. This actually shows, by having questions, this actually shows that you had interest in the topic and you're trying to confirm the information that you were provided with. Like I said today, these 3 major points have been proven valuable in my career, and they should be valuable in yours. So again, those 3 major points are going to be, you need to be able to catch the main points or phrases so that you can actually understand what the speaker is saying. Second one is you need to learn how to use your spare time more effectively. And my third major point today was that you need to jot down any questions for your speaker. Okay, in saying this, in closing, I just want to say, you should never be caught not paying attention. Have a nice day. Oh, I'm scratching myself.